Hello Felt Hub, it's Sandy here. Hope you're all doing okay. Just thought I would pop in and give you some seasonal inspiration for your autumn and fall projects. Some of you I know are already on with them, and many of you will be thinking about them. So now is the time really to start, especially if you're here in the UK where the weather is absolutely atrocious at the moment. But not going to complain, gives us more time for crafting. So I wanted to share with you first this, which is kind of a hybrid. I've called it a Gnumpkin, and that's because it is a pumpkin and a gnome. So it has a pumpkin for the base and this gorgeous gnome hat for the top. Now, I'll pop all the links in the post description for you. There are free video tutorials for this. There are also some free patterns on the blog, so I shall pop that in there as well. But also, if you don't have all the wool you need, then I will also pop the link in the description for the autumn and fall section of my website, where you can actually buy this as a full kit, with or without needles, depending on what you have. But it's absolutely stunning, and it is just a simple pumpkin base. This takes about 20 minutes, no more than that. Obviously you don't need the stalk or any leaves of any kind, so it takes about 20 minutes. And then with the hat, you actually create that around a barbecue skewer because it's solid. So this is a solid hat, and what it allows you to do is get that really nice perfect shape around the edges here all the way around, and using your wooden barbecue skewer is key for that, because you get this really nice tight solid cone. Really good for Christmas trees as well, and all sorts of other decorations. And then of course I've added the little nose and the ears in this oatmeal colour. And instead of using wool top for the beard, I didn't want to lose sight of the pumpkin itself, so I've used this really nice yarn. So if you do order the kit or wool bundle, you'll get all of those things in there. So there's no need for you to worry about raking about for anything. So again, with regards to pumpkins, if you just want something really super quick and easy, they are really fast to make, and really sort of mindful, takes your mind off of what's going on. You can do them in any colour, and also these are really popular, are the winter pumpkins. Really beautiful, so you can create your pumpkins and leave them up all winter. And with the Gnumpkin as well, the same goes. You don't need to take it down once the autumn season is over, and why would you want to? And then on the top of there, if you can see, got this little pumpkin bobble. Now that one's got a real acorn cap, but this one is actually been made, if I can just get that to focus, maybe it won't, but as you can see from there, I've just made that acorn, and again I've made that around the barbecue skewer, which is so easy. It's just like making the balls but slightly different shape. So they are gorgeous. Hats can be done in any colour you want, with any detail, any embellishment, and as you can see, that's solid, so that actually sits on top of the pumpkin. And then this is another idea. This is a pumpkin wreath, again with lots of little pumpkins and acorns around, and this little hanging piece here, just finished off with a ribbon, and that looks gorgeous as well. So I hope you are all enjoying your needle felting at the moment. I hope that's given you some ideas. Remember, all the tutorials are free on YouTube. If you go onto the blog, My Ultimate Guide to Needle Felting, there's so much stuff on there. It's all in the menus, really easy to follow. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced needle felter, you will find something on there to sort of fill your creative hours. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for being part of the Felt Hub, and I'll see you soon. Bye.